and today we are here to start the lecture series of Mathematics 1. Our topic is multiple integral and subtopic is area and volume of the triple integration. Now area in Cartesian coordinate, the area is bounded by the curve y equal to f1x and y equal to f2x. Intersecting at the point P of AB and Q of CD is A equal to x equal to A to C, y equal to f1 x to f2x dy dx. It is equation of the curve are represented as x equal to g1 of y and g2 of y. Then A equal to y equal to integration y equal to v to d, x equal to g1 y, x equal to g2y dx dy. Area in polar coordinates r equal to f1 theta and f2 theta, theta equal to t1 and theta equal to t2 is A equal to theta equal to theta1 to theta equal to theta2 integration r equal to f1 theta f2 theta r dr d theta. Now we are taking example for the area enclosed by the curve y equal to x square and y equal to x. Solution. The points of intersection of the parabola y equal to x square and line y equal to x are obtained as y equal to x square, so x equal to x square, so y equal to x square minus x, so x equal to 0 and 1. If x equal to 0 and 1 and y equal to x, so y equal to 0 and y equal to 1. So our intersection points are 0, 0 and 1, 1. So this is our area for y equal to x square. It's a parabola and y equal to x is intersect the parabola to the region of the two intersection point 0, 0 and 1 is 1, 1. Okay. Now, draw the vertical strip AB. It is your vertical strip AB from the parabola y equal to x square to terminate the line y equal to x. So, what is our function? X square to x. So, what is limit? Y limit is x square to x, and we are taking x 0 to 1 because we are taking as a formation 0 to 1, and what is here? It is 1. So we have fixed the limit of x 0 to 1 and y as a x square to x. Put the value, we getting x minus x square dx as the integration. Integrate the x, we get 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3. Answer is 1 by 6 of the equation. Second example, find the area enclosed by the curve r equal to 2 and r equal to 4 in first quadrant. Solution. The region of the integration is the interior of the circle between r equal to 2 and r equal to 4. Draw the elementary radius vector OAB from the origin which enters in the region from the circle r equal to 2 and leaves the circle r equal to 4. So first circle is r equal to 2. So it is your r equal to 2 circle and it is your r equal to 4 circle. Okay. Now theta equal to 0 to pi by 2, and what we have to find? We have to find this region. Okay. Now limit of r equal to, it is start from the 2 and going to 4, and limit of theta is start from the 0 going to pi by 2. So a equal to 0 to pi by 2 integration 2 to 4 r dr d theta. Now we are taking r dr theta d theta, integrate with respect to dr. We say that it is r square by 2. Put the limit 2 and 4, we getting 8 minus 2. It is 6. 6 is constant. So 1 theta equal to theta 0 to pi by 2. Limit 6 pi by 2. Answer is 3 pi. Double integral as volume. When the surface z equal to f of xy is continuous on the region R and f of xy is greater than equal to 0 for all xy in R, then double integration R f of xy dA is the volume of the solid region between the surface z equal to f of xy and region R in the xy plane. We obtain the approximate value of solid S as summation I equal to 1 to m, summation j equal to 1 to n, and function is f of xij, yij, delta A. Delta A, there is a area. So this is your surface and we have to find the volume. This is your f of xi, yij. This is your region. It's y, it's your z, it's your x. Okay. The formula to find in certain coordinates using double integral v, that means volume, dual integral r z dx dy. The formula to find volume in polar coordinates using double integral given is dual r zr dr d theta. Now example. Find the volume bounded by the cylindrical x square plus y square equal to 4 and the planes are y plus z equal to 4 and z equal to 0. So, limit of z are 0 less than equal to z less than equal to 4 minus y. Now, what is a plane? It is y plus z equal to 4. Second one is x square y square equal to 4 and third one is z equal to 0. So if we are converting in this formation, so it is x square y square equal to 4. See in 2 dimensions. So volume of z dx dy, we get 2 4 minus y dx dy. Using polar coordinates, r is between 0 to 2 and theta is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. We get 2 minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, 0 to 2, 4 minus r sin theta, r dr d theta. 2 integration minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, 0 to 2, 4r minus r square sin theta dr d theta. Now we are integrate with respect to r. So it is 4r square r cube by 3. Put the value of 2 and 0. We get 8 by 3 sin theta. Now 0 to pi by 2 8 d theta. Sin theta is an odd function. So we say that 0 to pi by 2 8 d theta and put the value of pi by 2 and 0. You get 32 pi by 2, that means 16 pi as a volume. Here I have listed some examples to do yourself. If any query, then ask me in lectures. Thank you.